Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. But please take care, this video is only for the 5G version, so there's another version out there without 5G. This video is only for the 5G version. You can recognize it on the box of course, and as well on the phone. So if there's written 5G on your phone, then you're having the 5G version. So this video is the right one for you. Okay, first of all, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. And it's part of the box. And in that box you will find another little white box. And if you open it, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Take now a SIM ejection tool and enter this hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want. One on the top and additional a second one below. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. By the way, what's SIM 1? Also the first SIM card, and the second, that's always written here in the middle. No? Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it like this here. So insert it well, press it well, let's insert it. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on this SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. If you want, you can add now a second SIM card on the other side of the SIM tray. So it's optional, no? Same thing, press it well, that's well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So there's also a missing corner here, belongs to the missing corner. So same thing, and the contacts, they are on top as well. Okay. Then after, just put your construction back into the phone. Back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side now. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.